What happened to your foot?
I was
So let's go shopping.
Woo! Vegetable oil for the sugar scrubs.
How did you like Boss Baby?
They sent an extra one for you guys.
To enter to win.
I am going to spray Klai and Rykel with this on their hand and then tickle their nose and they'll go. Let's go see what happens.
How? I never did this to you. Watch out for your face tomorrow.
April Fools.
Daddy, you're so mean.
Just kidding. No, Dad didn't.
Oh, that's amazing.
All right. So
Hi. Are planning out all the little details, and we're gonna go shopping and buy all of the things for Rykel's party. So groups that rotate throughout the party. So we need at least 2 or 3 games. We have Never Have I Ever, and I think that would be fun. Comment below what other games we should do. I'm gonna research on the computer.
So some people in the last video commented, because I was stressful and everything, commented some very good ideas. And so I am going to be using them, like the foot soak, like eating pizza, and lots of fruit. I love fruit. Fruit's really good. So my sister Klai is also helping. So she's gonna be making the cake, and she said it was gonna be like a French cake. I wonder what that cake's gonna be. Also, comment down below if you have any other good ideas. Like, seriously, we need ideas. I only have 3 days left. What happened to your foot?
I was trying to come into the room and I
Okay.
got scratched by that hanger.
What hanger?
That one on the ground.
That one?
Yes.
The murder weapon. How sad is that? Ouch! That looks so painful. Let's get a closer look on the top one. Wow. Don't move. Quit moving. Focus. Look at that. Looks really painful. Well, sorry.
I need a...
Now we are shopping for my birthday party.
So we are super excited. We've had a lot of input from a lot of you. We are going to buy a lot of spa things, so let's go shopping. Woo! Oh, see, this is the anticipated grandpa card for every birthday.
Look at that.
Oh, your first birthday card. So it's the first birthday card. She hasn't gotten any others.
500 bazillion bucks inside.
What? Let's see. What? 12. Tell Grandma what we're doing on Thursday.
Thursday I get my ears pierced and a haircut.
Oh. Which hair are you going to get cut?
This
My
one.
hair. Vegetable oil for the sugar scrubs. Apples for the fruit. Okay, fruit. And for the veggie bags. All right, treats for the goodie bags. More goodies for the party. We got some cool decorations and more spa stuff. It's gonna be awesome. Hey guys, so there is only 2 days left until the birthday party. I am really scared it's not gonna go good, but I have hope. So this is what we have so far. We have some flowers for the spa atmosphere. They are really pretty. We got some fruit to munch on and some donut holes. We also got some trees for the goodie bags. Ooh, and I love these. These are for the homemade spa facial mask. So we have some lemon juice, honey, cucumbers to go on our eyes. Woo! And some yogurt and turmeric. We bought these jars specially for this sugar scrub, which they're gonna make out of vegetable oil and sugar or some brown sugar. And after they're done doing it and mixing, they get to take it home. So we also have some amazing super moisturizer avocado oil. It's gonna feel really good on our feet. And last but not least, we have fingernail polish. So we're gonna have amazing pedicures. It's gonna be fun. What other ideas do you guys have? Comment down below. I'd really love to hear some. I'm excited.
We're in the mall, and this is what the kids are choosing to do. And while we wait for the movie to start, we're a little bit early. We're going up and down the escalators. One more round trip.
2 more rounds.
One more round. Have you guys ever done this? Now we are playing in the little kids zone of the mall. We just saw Boss Baby. Did you guys love it?
It's hilarious.
So this is part of our spring break. We are doing like a staycation, which means we're not going anywhere because it is birthday week for Rykel and Jase is tearing down the warehouse. So we kind of have to stay in town, but we're trying to make every day super fun.
Hey guys! Aloha! So we are opening fan mail today.
I got one from Marina Daly. I got a letter. Thank you so much. I will totally be your pen pal.
Okay, I got one from Maria, and she gave us a letter. Thank you, Maria. Look at the picture. Oh, it's everyone jumping. Oh, it's in the movie. Cynthia. I got one from Cynthia. I want to open it.
Whoa.
Oh, look.
This
is from...
Thank you. And she sent us a postcard.
Whoa!
She's from Florida. That is awesome.
Me too.
I got one from Leah.
It says it's really fragile.
Wow! Whoa!
It's awesome. Okay, and we got a letter. I like the Ohana word. And, yeah. Thank you, Leah.
Whoa! Whoa! He has eyes, different eyes.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh,
She looks okay. I also got one from Cynthia for my birthday. All right. Oh, she gave me a. Aww. Oh, let's see what's in
Hey,
it.
Mom, look at my eyes.
Hey, she gave me a Walmart gift card.
$10.
Thank you, Cynthia. Love you. I will totally read it. I will totally write you back. All right. Ooh, I even got one from Eden Clark. Oh, look at that. She drew it herself.
What's in it?
Ha! She gave me lollipops. Thank you. I really love how you drew. That is cool. Thank you, Eden Clark.
Our family got a box from BYU TV and Random Acts. Woo! Whoa!
That's cool.
Can we open this?
Okay, the shirt.
Thank
NYU TV.
We want to thank Random Acts for this goodie box. Yeah, and they sent an extra one for you guys.
A t-shirt,
Kilo cups, binoculars,
Treats and a notebook.
and an awesome backpack. And a hat.
To enter to win, you must be one of our fellow subscribers, so make sure you guys subscribe.
And you must comment down below what a kind thing someone has done for you. Like the other day, Klai was helping me plan my birthday party.
Come on, guys, win!
Who wants to win?
Some pizza, some water,
Is that one the first one that was
and these kids are just hanging around. It's been a long day, huh? Was it a fun day? How was one of the days of your birthday week?
Eventful.
Yeah?
And today I cut my finger from a juice box.
How did you like Boss Baby?
Oh, it was hilarious. It was so funny.
Okay, so we ended our night here as we're helping. Well, not helping. We're not helping at all. As this warehouse is moving out. Okay, hey, we had a really awesome day today. It was really fast and busy. Dad went and worked really hard at the warehouse. Dad's tired and exhausted.
I am beat.
We are counting down the days until the warehouse is done. And we went and we saw Boss Baby, who loved it.
Me!
Someone's missing. Can you figure out who's missing? Nobody say.
I'm missing.
Well, and Klai babysat. How was that?
Tiring.
Were they crazy? Well, toddlers are always crazy. And we went shopping for Rykel's party. We got lots of goodies, which we'll show in just a couple minutes. And now we're going to end our night off. How are we going to end our night off?
Brian.
If you don't talk Cora, that means praying. So we come together and we have family prayer. So we hope you have a good day. Thanks for watching, everybody. We had a good time. We can't wait to show you the fun adventures this weekend. Rykel's birthday party. She's going to have a makeover, spa party, well, a makeover day, spa party another day, shopping spree another day, and some embarrassing stories are going to be coming this weekend. So make sure you guys keep watching. Everyone say good night.
Good night.
Okay, peace out.
You want to say peace out?
Peace out. Peace out. Peace out.
I'm gonna do that so you turn off the camera.
Bro. Peace out.
And we're out.
Oh. Oh, you scared Diezel.
I came to eat you, Diezel. I came to eat you.
Oh.
You're gonna give me the smells.